Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix Windows 11 cannot be turned off airplane mode. So how to fix it? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that the generally laptop airplane mode cannot be turned off, and again by pressing function key and other key. So in laptop, for example, in laptop use function key with print screen. So the second method is that go to your search box and type a services. Open a services and find out radio management services. Now open a radio management services and select it automatic. Click on apply and OK and close it. The third method is that in the search box type a device manager. Open a device manager. Select the internet adapter. Select a USB wireless LAN and go to your properties. Select a power management and select a allow the computer turn off this device on safe mode. Click on OK button and close it. And the fourth method is that go to your settings of your Windows, go to your network and internet, go to your airplane mode. Now select it. Now you can see that it's turned off. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.